Hello everyone! What's in the box? Okay, so I've been telling you that I'm going to make a shirt for Manny, and it is laid out on the table that Remi is sitting on right now. Are you going to say hello, Remi? No, she wants to know what's in the box. So, we should open it and see what's in there, so you can get in the box, because you like. So this is something for the website. I haven't opened it yet, although I did order it. So I know what's in here. Ooh. Remi, are you no longer interested? Oh, it's like a coaster. Okay, so this is what I ordered. Okay. Patterns. Thread theory patterns. So I have, is this a new one? I don't think so. But this is a t-shirt pattern. The Strathcona Henley. And it has the really nice packaging. Ooh, I have to look inside. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, and you get a label. And the pattern's all nicely folded up in here. Oh wow, this is nice. Okay, I gotta put this all back because I'm supposed to be selling these. I'll open the one that I know that I'm gonna keep. But wow, really nice. Now, if I can make this go back, I'll show you the one that I'm going to keep, which is hopefully the next one on the list. So these will be up on the website hopefully this weekend, at the very latest. So the Jedediah pants. So I have some of these. Yes, I'm going to be keeping one of these. Jedediah pants. So Manny's going to be getting a pair of the Jedediah pants. I'm saying it over and over again because... So I'm going to open them and show you. Really nice packaging. Look at the tree. You get a label. Threads Theory Designs. You get a lovely tissue pattern. And it's beautiful. And then you have, it's printed on everywhere. It's beautiful. Welcome to the new era of sewing menswear. Go ahead and create something exceptional. I think one of my viewers said you should work with thread theory, and wow. So I am going to be looking forward to making these pants. Beautiful booklet. It has, well, you can also make them into shorts, obviously. And they go up to size 40. There's the line drawing inside. Material requirements on the next page. Body measurements. Goes up to a size 40 waist. And I think these are all the same size. So, yeah. So what else did I get? The Quadra jeans are also in there. I'm going to put this back before I lose something, because that one's mine. And I think we're going to keep one of these. How many? Oh. Ooh, this is a thick one. So you also get the Fairfield button-up, which is quite a popular pattern. So that is also in the box. And one more. So I just came from the post office. It is dreary raining outside, and I didn't even take my coat off because I have been trying to talk myself into filming a video, and I really still haven't got any sewing done. Or I haven't done enough of anything to show you. Now, underneath all this is Manny's shirt ready to cut out. And now there's new patterns to try. So where is it? I don't have my glasses on now. So one of these is also for me, and then the rest are for the website. Yes. So there's a little bit of variety, and I just received, I think it was last week, the fabric samples, because I was looking for fabric to go with this, and where's the, oh, and the t-shirt pattern. And there's like a trillion colors to pick from, so it's going to be hard. Anyway, I am looking forward to getting that, and now the furnace just came on. It's cold. I think it's like 3 or 4 degrees outside. So, that is all I have to share with you today. The denim, if you were interested in making jeans or these pants, which are very similar, they just have different pocket styles on them. The denim I have in the shop, it has, if you are an email subscriber, you would already have received the email for the denim code in the email for 15% off. So it would be a good time to get denim if you were thinking about making pants, because I have the green and the black. Well, it's charcoal because it does have some white in it. I'm actually sitting on some. Where is it? Oh, I think the herb is upstairs, the greeny color one. So, oh, and just a little heads up, if you think you've subscribed to my, because I'm getting a lot of people subscribing to the newsletter, which is great, and I will email another one out, but some of the people aren't subscribed. So if you have not received a newsletter, it only comes out once a month. You have to check your, sometimes it goes to your spam, because I know I did it as well for myself, and it goes to your spam and says, are you sure you want to be an email subscriber? So you have to check that, and then you have to click on it. So Or sometimes that happens. I think it happens different with some people. I don't know. Anyway, that's what happened to me when I did it, and I would think it would be the same. So, very excited to have some patterns to be listed before the weekend, hopefully, very soon. Weekend for sure, they will be up on the website, and they'll be the same price as Thread Theory sells them. And, yeah, very exciting. This is for, I didn't get a lot of them because a lot of people do PDFs, which is a little bit cheaper, but which you can get from Thread Theory. And, but some people don't like, and they are beautiful patterns. Now, I've never had, this is my first indie pattern designer patterns, really. I think I had one. Yeah, I think I had one. Anyway, this is exciting. So, something new to add to the website. I hope that you will like it. They are all very basic designs that will never go out of style, like the pants, the shirt, and these pants. And of course the t-shirt with the buttons, the Henley, and then long sleeve and short sleeve. And of course you can hack it other ways, like go across if you wanted. And then there's the sweatshirt with the shawl collar, which I really like myself. And then my boyfriend, he likes the hoods. So that is, those are nice basic patterns that will be good forever. So, and really beautifully done. So that is all that I have for you today. Hopefully I will have something sewn by Sunday. I think I keep saying this. I'm the only YouTuber who never sews anything lately. So I really need to, I was down here on the weekend trying to tidy up, and then I'd pick something up and sew for a little while, and just, I didn't get anything finished. So I know I'm a slowpoke, but very exciting to have all these patterns. And I'm glad the cat didn't get in the box, because I think I need to keep it for to store them. I believe. Put them all back. Yes. I'll keep 2 out for me. So, that's what was in the box. Well, oh, and the Great British Sewing Bee, I think it starts this evening, or maybe it did already. I can't watch it because I live in Canada. So if anybody knows a way to watch the Great British Sewing Bee, let me know so I can figure it out. So, that's all for me. Take care, everyone. Bye.